Hello friends, welcome to the video. Today I am going to do one simple experiment to make you understand one of the basic principle in the physics, and the principle is Bernoulli's principle. To do the experiment, I have taken two pieces of the paper or refill it and a small segment of straw. First of all, I will penetrate these two pieces of the paper in this refill lid, and I will make a slight gap between these two papers such that these two papers hang in this refill lid parallelly. There should not be any air which interfere these pieces of the paper. Now I'll take this straw and I will start to blow at this gap. Let's see what will happen. So we have seen whenever I blow the air, I am creating the low pressure in this gap, and outside there is the large pressure of the air, and in the gap there is the less pressure of the air. That's why the pieces of the paper are getting attracted towards the middle. Next, we can do this experiment in quite simplest way as well. For this experiment, we just need a piece of the paper. I'll bring this piece of the paper near my lower lip and I'll gently blow. Let's see what will happen. So, as you have seen, as I blow, by blowing I am creating less pressure in the upward area, and in the lower area there is the large pressure of the air, and due to that large pressure the paper gets lifted upward. This is the Bernoullis principle. So if you have liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, also share the video, and I'll be back soon with the next video, next interesting video. Thank you.